Right. How is it? Yeah, that were only €5.30. I thought the Coke would be more expensive. Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? What a lovely place. Yeah. Yeah, it's more of a gradual climb coming this way, isn't it? Cracking. That tree stump there, with a couple of tree stumps. They've just decided to cut the trees down, but left the stumps there. So yeah, we're in we're coming up more into the town of Costa Teguise here. Good old boys up top there as well. Pharmacy and everything round here, there again. Gifts and souvenir shops, abundance. Hotel Grand Teguise Player. That looks like it's a 5-star, that doesn't it? It's massive, is that place? That's the one that's we saw from the... No, we're not. We're going towards it, love. Don't worry about that. Why do you feel that we're not going right here? Yeah.
See, I can't hear you.
Right, let's go this down here now. Let's go down here now. Another nice posh hotel there. Let's see if we can find a way back now. I think it should be down here. What are you doing now? Oh, I thought you were walking round. Bee lounge. I thought that would have cut through there, but it's not. Unless we can get out here at the top of this one here. Yeah. This looks like a bit of a cul-de-sac, this, isn't it? Full of hotels and bars. Trying to get back onto the street, going down towards the square. Brandywell pub. Excuse me. Yeah. Oh, pardon me. Sorry about that. I think we're coming down to the square here, I think. I think we're coming down the top end of the, yeah, I think we're right here, you know. Surprising how easy you get lost, isn't it? Oh, I think this is the main. Oh yeah, oh I know where we are now. Oh, that's all right. We've sort of like we've cut the corner off, haven't we? What? What, from the pharmacy? There's a pharmacy down here, isn't there? Drugstore. Here we go. Right. I'll just shut the camera off for a minute while we go in the shop. So it has a lens on this side and a lens underneath. So it takes everything. Yeah, 360. Very good. Thank you. Oh, it's starting to shade a bit. Let's cool down a bit. It is warm today, isn't it? Very warm. No. It's hotter again than it was yesterday, definitely. Right, we're back to into the town. We're just a little bit off the square, but we're not going up to the square now. We're actually going. Are we going back now?
Yeah.
The square's up there, but we can always come back a different day. We can do. Yeah, I know. I'm just saying I haven't done any filming in the square. That's all. No, I didn't. I know, but I didn't film anything because it was dark, wasn't it? You're going to go down on the beach, yeah? Oh, what, sorry? A week? Is there? I don't know. I haven't seen them going that way. I don't know, we're going to go halfway down. It just means if we go to the beach down there, we have to go down and then come back up, whereas it's on the way going back that way, isn't it? And like I say, if you want to go to toilets, which public toilets are probably down here, you're probably better doing that. Yeah, because oh yeah, he's probably going to get be hungry now. Right, I'll. So we're back on the promenade now, aren't we? You having one now? Hello, big boy. What you doing? What you doing? He's after camera. He's after camera. He's not having it. So yeah. Where did you do 6 toilets before then? Right.
Not far from where
That bar is.
man's playing his guitar.
Ah, right. So yeah, well. Very little wind again today, and it's getting warmer. That sun's stronger than it was yesterday as well. Yeah, if we get down to level at beach, and then it'll be easier to get on and off beach, won't it? Because there's some steps a bit further down. Yeah. Excuse me. It's good how they have this footpath here, and they have the bike track down there. Keep the bike separate from the pedestrians. All in the interests of safety. What's he doing now? What you doing now? Get me out of here! Bikes are coming past. And you get 3 blokes that are just walking on the... I know, and they don't move out of the way. Fancy drink? Oh, right. Want to go down here then? What? Okay, alright, oh, yeah. We'll put him on the thing here, eh? Let me come down one. Push it towards me. Okay, up we go. Right, we're down. I won't take Pram up beach, love. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, yeah. Let's see if he wants to go on beach. You going on beach? He's not right keen, I don't think. Oh, he is. He's all right. Wait till he fills his mouth with it. Ooh, ooh. What are you doing? Ooh, what are you doing? Come on, Albie. Come on. Come on then. Come on. Come on.
It's like a little crab.
You're going to pick him up. He's going to get wet, isn't he? Come on then. Come on then. He's going to be in. Whoa! I got water in my... No, I didn't scream, no.
Go that way. Go that way. What's again, Dad?
Come on then.
Come on then. Oh, he's not.
I don't think he wants picking up now, love. He might be hurting his legs, you know, his knees.
Why, didn't you? Let's go and put you under that water.
Oh. Go on, you go up there and I'll pick this pram up. Sorry? It's a shower, is it? We're not. Oh, there's one here, love. What's that there?
That's for the shower, isn't it?
Oh yeah, that's for that, isn't it?
Press it. Press it again.
Sit some on there if you want. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah. I'll fix his panel. We'll go up there and then we'll give him some milk, eh? Right.
Good boy.
Good boy.
You like that, didn't you?
You like it? You like it? You liked it in the sea, didn't you?
You did like it today, didn't you? You got him, didn't you?
Yeah, of course I did, yeah.
Come on, let's go on. Emma needs to go to the toilet.
Right, which one are we going to?
There.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll go to that one again. The beer will go up there. Enjoyed it the other day. Got a bit of a wet foot and a bit of sand in between my toes, but enjoyed that. Well, this way, love. This way. They're coming out.
You're not messaging yet after you go.
I don't know. I haven't checked my phone, love. I don't know. I'm going to sit at this corner table here. It's just slightly in the shade.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah.